Welcome to our channel where we uncover the secrets to success and wealth. Today, we're diving into the top 15 skills you need to develop if you want to be rich. From mastering the art of negotiation to cultivating a growth mindset, these essential skills are the building blocks to financial prosperity. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or looking to level up in your career, this list will provide you with the tools and insights needed to thrive in the competitive world of wealth accumulation. But before we get started, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational content just like this one. Number 15, decision-making. Decision-making is a crucial skill that impacts every aspect of our lives, including our financial success. Being able to assess situations, weigh options, and make informed choices is essential for achieving wealth. While decision-making is ranked at number 15 on our list, it serves as the foundation for the skills to come. Without the ability to make sound decisions, it becomes challenging to progress in one's financial journey. Developing this skill will set the stage for mastering more complex skills higher up on our list. Number 14, resilience. Resilience is a key trait that can make or break your journey to wealth. This skill involves the ability to bounce back from setbacks, adapt to change, and persevere in the face of challenges. While resilience is ranked at number 14 on our list, its importance cannot be understated. Developing resilience is crucial for navigating the ups and downs of the financial world and maintaining a positive mindset amidst adversity. Those who possess resilience are better equipped to handle the inevitable obstacles that come their way, setting them apart on the path to riches. Number 13, critical thinking. Critical thinking is a fundamental skill that propels individuals towards financial success. This skill involves the ability to analyze information, evaluate arguments, and make reasoned decisions. While critical thinking is ranked at number 13 on our list, its impact on wealth accumulation is profound. Those who excel in critical thinking can identify opportunities, assess risks, and strategize effectively in the pursuit of riches. By honing this skill, individuals can navigate complex financial landscapes with clarity and precision, setting themselves apart as astute and strategic wealth builders. Number 12, sales. Sales skills are essential for anyone looking to amass wealth. This skill involves the ability to persuade, negotiate, and close deals effectively. While sales is ranked at number 12 on our list, its significance in the realm of financial success cannot be overlooked. Mastering sales techniques can lead to increased revenue, lucrative partnerships, and business growth. Individuals with strong sales acumen can capitalize on opportunities, build valuable connections, and drive profitability. By honing their sales skills, aspiring wealth builders can propel themselves towards financial abundance and success. Number 11, networking. Networking is a vital skill for those seeking to achieve financial success. This skill involves building and nurturing relationships, opening doors to opportunities, collaborations, and valuable connections. While networking is ranked at number 11 on our list, its impact on wealth creation is substantial. Individuals who excel in networking can access insider knowledge, gain mentorship, and secure lucrative deals. By expanding their professional network, aspiring wealth builders can tap into a wealth of resources and support that can propel them towards their financial goals. Number 10, time management. Effective time management is a critical skill for those aiming to achieve financial success. This skill involves prioritizing tasks, setting goals, and maximizing productivity. While time management is ranked at number 10 on our list, its impact on wealth accumulation is significant. Individuals who excel in time management can optimize their schedules, focus on high-value activities, and meet deadlines efficiently. By mastering time management, aspiring wealth builders can make the most of their resources and ensure that their efforts are directed towards activities that drive financial growth and success. Number 9, adaptability. Adaptability is a crucial skill for navigating the ever-changing landscape of wealth creation. This skill involves the ability to adjust to new circumstances, embrace change, and thrive in dynamic environments. While adaptability is ranked at number 9 on our list, its importance in the realm of financial success cannot be overstated. Individuals who are adaptable can pivot quickly, seize opportunities, and stay ahead of market trends. By honing their adaptability, aspiring wealth builders can position themselves as agile and resilient players in the competitive world of wealth accumulation. Number 8, creativity. Creativity is a powerful skill that can set individuals apart on their journey to financial success. This skill involves thinking outside the box, generating innovative ideas, and finding unique solutions to challenges. While creativity is ranked at number 8 on our list, its impact on wealth creation is profound. Those who possess creativity can develop groundbreaking products, design compelling marketing campaigns, and disrupt industries. By harnessing their creative abilities, aspiring wealth builders can differentiate themselves in the market, attract customers, and drive innovation that leads to financial prosperity. Number 7, problem solving. Problem solving is a critical skill that propels individuals towards financial success. This skill involves the ability to identify challenges, analyze root causes, and implement effective solutions. While problem solving is ranked at number 7 on our list, its significance in the realm of wealth accumulation is undeniable. Individuals who excel in problem solving can overcome obstacles, streamline processes, and drive efficiency in their endeavors. By honing their problem solving skills, aspiring wealth builders can navigate complexities with ease, innovate solutions, and position themselves as resourceful and strategic thinkers in the pursuit of financial prosperity. Number 6, leadership. Leadership is a pivotal skill that drives individuals towards financial success. This skill involves inspiring and guiding others, making strategic decisions, and fostering a positive and productive work environment. While leadership is ranked at number 6 on our list, its impact on wealth creation is immense. Effective leaders can motivate teams, drive innovation, and steer organizations towards growth and profitability. By mastering leadership skills, aspiring wealth builders can cultivate a strong and capable team, establish a vision for success, and lead by example in the pursuit of financial abundance. Number 5, negotiation. Negotiation is a crucial skill that can significantly impact one's financial success. This skill involves the ability to communicate persuasively, find common ground, and secure favorable deals. Ranked at number 5 on our list, negotiation plays a vital role in wealth accumulation by enabling individuals to maximize profits, establish beneficial partnerships, and navigate complex transactions. Those proficient in negotiation can leverage their skills to achieve win-win outcomes, drive business growth, and capitalize on opportunities that lead to increased wealth. Mastering negotiation is key to unlocking doors to financial prosperity and success. Number 4, communication. Communication is a fundamental skill that plays a pivotal role in achieving financial success. This skill involves the ability to convey ideas clearly, listen actively, and build strong relationships. Ranked at number 4 on our list, effective communication is essential for networking, negotiating deals, and leading teams towards common goals. Individuals who excel in communication can articulate their vision, influence others, and foster collaboration, setting the stage for successful ventures and profitable outcomes. Mastering communication skills is key to establishing credibility, building trust, and driving impactful results in the pursuit of wealth. Number 3, entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a dynamic skill that propels individuals towards financial independence and success. This skill involves identifying opportunities, taking calculated risks, and creating innovative solutions to meet market demands. Ranked at number 3 on our list, entrepreneurship sets itself apart by requiring a combination of creativity, leadership, and strategic thinking. Entrepreneurs have the vision to disrupt industries, the resilience to overcome challenges, and the drive to build thriving businesses from the ground up. Mastering entrepreneurship empowers individuals to shape their own destinies, create wealth, and leave a lasting impact on the world. Number 2, investing. Investing is a critical skill that can significantly accelerate one's journey to financial abundance. This skill involves allocating resources strategically, analyzing market trends, and making informed decisions to grow wealth over time. Ranked at number 2 on our list, investing stands out for its potential to generate income, build long-term wealth, and secure financial stability. Those well-versed in investing can leverage their assets to create multiple streams of income, diversify their portfolios, and capitalize on opportunities in various markets. Mastering the art of investing is key to multiplying wealth and achieving financial freedom. Number 1, financial literacy. Financial literacy reigns as the top skill essential for achieving wealth and success. This skill encompasses understanding financial concepts, managing money effectively, and making informed decisions about investments and savings. Ranked at number 1 on our list, financial literacy serves as the foundation for all other wealth-building skills. Individuals who are financially literate can create budgets, plan for the future, and navigate the complexities of the financial world with confidence. By mastering financial literacy, aspiring wealth builders can take control of their finances, build wealth sustainably, and secure a prosperous future for themselves and their families. In conclusion, we've unveiled the top 15 skills you need to develop if you want to be rich. Ranging from financial literacy to entrepreneurship and investing, each skill plays a crucial role in the journey to financial success, with financial literacy reigning supreme as the foundation for wealth-building endeavors. We encourage you to delve deeper into these skills, hone your abilities, and embark on your path to prosperity. Remember, mastering these skills can unlock a world of opportunities and lead you towards a future of abundance and fulfillment. Start today and pave your way to financial greatness. See you next time.